Gokul Global University, Physiotherapy Department, Subject Exercise Therapy. Today's topic is gait analysis. Outline, introduction, type of gait analysis, kinematic and kinetics of the trunk, and UE, phases of gait cycle. Now introduction. 1. General features, and second one is gait initiation. General features. Human locomotion or gait may be described as a translatory progression of the body as a whole produced by the coordinated rotatory movement of the body segments. Gait initiation. Gait initiation may be defined as a stereotyped activity that includes the series of the sequence of the event that occur from the initiation of the movement to the beginning of gait cycle. Now, two types of gait analysis, kinematic and kinetic. What is kinematic? To describe movement patterns without regard for the forces involved in the producing the movement. It may be qualitative observational gait analysis and quantitative distance and time variable. And what is kinetic? To determine the force involved in the gait. Kinematics. First, phases of gait cycle. Second is gait terminology. Third is joint motion in sagittal, frontal and transverse plane. Phases of gait cycle. There are mainly two phases, stance phase and swing phase. Period, initial double limb support, single limb stance. Second double limb support, initial swing, mid swing and terminal swing. Phases of gait cycle continue. Gait cycle. A gait cycle spans two successful events of same limb, usually initial contact of the lower extremity with the supporting surface. During one gait cycle, each extremity passes through two major phases, stance phase and swing phase. Now what is stance phase? When one part of the foot is contact with the floor, which makes up about 60% of the gait cycle. Now what is swing phase? When the foot is not in a contact with the floor, which makes up the remaining 40% of gait cycle. And there are two periods of double support occurring between the time one limb make initial contact and the other one leave the floor at toe off. Double support. In normal walking speed, each period of double support occupy about 11% of gait cycle and 22% of full cycle. The body supported by only one limb for nearly 80% of the gait cycle. Phases of gait cycle. Events in stance phase. In traditional or in a Rancho Los Amigos. In traditional, first is heel strike, second is foot flat 7%, third is mid stance 30%, fourth is heel off 40% and fifth is toe off 60%. Rancho Los Amigos in first, initial contact, second, loading response, third, mid stance, fourth, terminal stance, fifth, pre-swing. Events in swing phase. In traditional, acceleration, second, mid-swing, third, deceleration. Rancho Los Amigos, first, initial swing, second, mid-swing, third, terminal swing. As we can see in the picture, percentage-wise, Early swing 60 to 75%, mid swing 75 to 85%, and late swing 85 to 100%. Same as initial swing 60 to 73%, mid swing 73 to 87%, and terminal swing 87 to 100%. Phases of gait cycle. Subphases of stance. First, heel strike. Second, loading response and flat foot. Third, mid stance phase. Fourth, terminal stance. And fifth, toe off. In picture we can see it, the load and force applied in different part of the foot. Gait terminology. We are calculating the two basic parameters of motion and measurement of these variable period. A basic description of gait. First is time and the second is distance. Gait terminology. Temporal variable and distance variable. In temporal variable, stance time, second single limb and double support time, third swing time, fourth stride and step time, fifth cadence, and sixth speed. Same distance variable, stride length, second step length, third width, and fourth degree of toe out. In gait terminology, 8 variables may be affected by such factors as first, age, gender, height, size and shape of bone components, sixth, distribution of mass in body segment, joint mobility, muscle strength, type of clothing, footwear, habit, and psychological status. These are the factors which affecting in gait terminology or gait cycle. Now this is the gait lab picture. In that lab, highly identified gait analysis. In red arrow, we can see force plate. On that, person will be stand and analysis by these cameras we can see in the picture, and ask the patient to walk on that path and record that video. After that, video will be analyzed by the expert in computer. By that we can clearly observe the gait and identify the gait analysis. Now kinetic analysis. A kinetic analysis is performed to understand force acting on the joints, movements produced by the muscle crossing the joints, and third, energy requirement of gait. Joint angle in sagittal plane. Initial contact, joint angle is in flexion. In foot flat, 10% flexion or foot is in a plantar flexion. In mid stance, 30%, whole leg is in a flexion or foot is in a dorsiflexion. Or in a heel of 40%, the foot goes in a hyperflexion, 10 to 20%. Joint angle in sagittal plane, toe off 60%, hyperflexion, flexion, or foot is in a plantar flexion. Now swing phase, acceleration, hip is flexion, knee is flexion, and the foot is plantar flexion. In mid swing, hip flexion, knee flexion, or foot is in a neutral. And deceleration, hip is in a flexion or knee or foot is in a neutral position. By that we can identify different angle and degree of flexion or extension. in each and every phases. Thank you.